Welcome to the module demonstration for the audit report module. The audit report module basically captures the data or observations found during audit. Once we have planned the audit schedule, it automatically appears in the audit report module. Like you would have seen in audit plan, we had planned for a particular audit. So this audit has automatically moved to the audit report module. Here what we see is we have an update button where certain details can be captured in terms of audit reference, status, auditor, project name, auditee, checklist. These things typically come from the planning module itself. Audit date is where you put the actual audit date. You put planned effort as the audit effort planned and actual effort spent during the audit, all that, and you say update. So this basically tracks the audit planning and tracking. For the findings part, what we need to do is we need to put details. Once we click on the details button, we see the various checklist items and whatever is necessary as per the checklist. So I'll click on the update button. It automatically puts us checklist item, things to look for. We can put a compliance status, yes or no. So for example, I just say here QMS has not been updated over last one quarter. So this is my observation, and then observation classification, I can put it as a NC or improvement, opportunity, or observation. Category, you can define it as a minor or major this thing. Then the corrective action, preventive action will be taken mostly by the auditee, and the auditor did not fill it in. The process reference again relates to your internal process. It is nothing to do with ISO. Suppose we have a quality related process, we can say it's referring to quality process. And policy reference wise, again you can say it is a violation of the quality policy. And you can add this. Now this is saved. So similarly, all the checklist items are there, and we can put our observations. Anywhere you want to attach an evidence, you just click on attachments icon. So here is the attachments icon. Once you have any objective evidence, I'm just putting this adaptive tracker as an attachment and say save. You will have this evidences captured in the system itself. So that is how attachments will be captured, and then we can take a report out. Like there is an export button available, so you can export the findings from here to an Excel sheet.